Good day, welcome to Martinez in the continuation of our new design that we're working on. So, like we said, this is a mixed use as well, but the client side has its own. Usually, want to have like a 7 or 6 bedroom apartment, while the red side is going to be for tenants of different kinds. So, we want to develop this ground floor plan complete now. So like we have said, so we continue the progress one after the other. This is the bedroom of how we create the kitchen and something like that. So let's continue that. Just click here and say create similar. So we continue to create. So now I need to have a space position of staircase for this. I'm going to say staircase to be here. Just let me just leave this one for now. So the next is that we work on the bedroom. So I'm going to say this bedroom here. Okay, so I'll work like that. So we have entrance to from the flat to this particular position. Now the funniest thing is that we need to define, this is the ground floor plan, actually not the upper floor. So how would they have access to this is what we are going to focus our attention on. So I'm going to check the distance from here to this place now. So I'm going to say that is 8.5 meters. So we'll have it to be, click similar. So what do I have? I have to divide into the two. Understand? Get it into two. So there is this that will link to the upper floor. So where the upper floor is going to be, we're going to focus on that one on later end. So but so now our attention is on this. So you enter through here or you enter through that other side. So it depends on how the whole position will be for you. So but for now you have a room and a parlor to do whatever you want to do. So I'm going to do it. I will say let's divide this into two. Okay, it's a choice stuff. So when you divide it into two, the most important thing we have here is that you divide this one into two again. So please always follow the dimension to understand the full progressive nature of everything. So you get it up here and you cut this one up as well. So what did you do? So if this one serves as your entrance, so you just have to have this in a place. Understand? So what do you do now? The next thing you do is that you demarcate the whole page and give them what they need. So you're going to say this one in a simple way. So I'm going to leave this up like this. So the way I adjust this one. So what we're going to achieve now, you're going to see it. So what we achieve here is that we have, then you cut this into, so divide this one, then you divide this, and divide this. So you get this right, come here, and turn this one to this position. So what we have, so we're going to have a living room, then the toilets, to be precise, but this one is going to have a, okay, sorry, let's divide this into two again. It's okay, let's switch this one to this to the down. So what do we have here now? We have a simple straightforward design. So just get a door here is going to be here, the entrance. So you have visitor toilet here. So you have this space to kitchen, then this one, then you have a toilet here. So you see the 1 bedroom flat is being created. So what you do here is that you flip and you have the same thing at the upper side, at the other, because this is the ground floor. So you have it at the other side as well. So in other words, you close this down, but don't do it that way. So you continue the process the way it is. Now, when you done with this, let's just quickly amend everything, then bring the one that's supposed to be. So I'm going to say, let me just use this. Then reduce this to normal 750 and 2001. You have the normal perimeter. So you just like align, then align this, let it flow to this side. Okay, then this is the bedroom toilet. So you get it, give it this, align it to the wall. So what you do next is that you click on this and say start using the component as well as you are using it here. So you can just bring say components to get a kitchen part, like this kitchen part you have it. So you can just like, this is too big, then use the second one. Okay, so this is okay. Yes, so you can use this one. Your kitchen is set. That's done. So the kitchen is set now. So the toilet, sorry, the toilet WC. So let's see the one that fits in. So we have one here. You choose one for at this level, then you choose another one for this particular position. So if you have another one that can accommodate that, it's advisable, you can use it. So that's another one. Then you get a bedroom, bed for the bedroom. Then you get a bed here. Then you go ahead and get, what do we call, sofa. So you can bring this sofa here. You can get another one, your choice. Get another one here. So you hang your whatsoever to the wall here, since there is access to this position. So this is all what you have at this level. You can now mirror it. So this is the stair part, while this is the upper part. So now they can have access to move here and move here. So we go design the elevation the way it's supposed, the front the way it's supposed to be. So we go ahead and do whatever you want. So this one has to represent whatever I want to represent. But for the quick of those people, let me quickly put annotate so that you'll be able to see how far I'm doing. So save the work. So what I do here is that I'm going to call this one living room. Okay, so let me quickly edit the text. So edit the text like this, reduce it. I'm not going to change it from stencil. I'm not going to use any other one. So just like I leave it like that. So let it be like this. So I'm going to say copy, then paste it here. This is dining. I'm going to call this empty room, and this is for this entrance porch. And to here, entrance porch. So that's it, entrance porch. Then you get this one, you call this one Control A, you call it empty room. So empty room. Then this one is living room already. So we move this to kitchen. This is your main kitchen, while this is the guest room. So this is the kitchen, and to here, kitchen. Okay, while this is a room, just change it to guest room. Okay, so this is the toilet to the guest room thing. So is there any other additional, you come back there and come up fulfill that for it. So from here now, this is the fulfillment of the ground floor. So you can copy this and push it here, push the room and push it here. Understand? So toilet and bath, you have seen it. So that's what you have here. So we later develop every other thing to make it look simple. But for now, this is so you can delete this one while you select all the inside aspect of this and mirror. So after you mirror, you delete that center wall. No, it's copy. It's copy. Okay, so the conflict is here. So you delete this. So it's gone. So you have it now. Basic. So now what else do we need to do? We now need to move to the upper floor where we're going to do the needful. So we maintain this, then we convert it to different thing entirely when we get to the upper floor. For now, so our focus is now on the client side completely. So I'm going to go there and do the needful. Okay, go to the first floor, second floor, that second level, and let the below be real. So we are going to work on this one now. The first thing you need to do is to get something. We are going to focus on this client side. So you go ahead and create this. So you maintain that. You go again. So this time around you're going to have cantilever. Understand? So align and align that. So what else do you need now? Then start creating this to fit in. There's only one side is going to be cantilever. So now you're going to have issue. The issue here is that there is a position of staircase that you need to work and focus on. So but we're going to do everything accordingly. So we need like 3 rooms here. Okay. So automatically it's like they are completing, but no, we still work on what we are creating. So let's say this is completely, so this is completely alright. So now the next thing we need to focus is the demarcation of each room. We need to look at various aesthetic value that come with the what we are designing, because sometimes what we have is a unique design and we need to maintain that aspect completely. So I'm going to work on that one basic. So every other one that did not flow, then we adjust it. So I have like a room here, a room here, a room here. This is 3, but I still need more because I'm creating more level. I have to repeat this, so I will go back to the level 3 now. I just have to have that boundary down. So I will say level 1, level 2. So whatever I create now, it will basically get that to be represented. So I just want to use this particular rectangle and create it down. 1. So it doesn't represent this front. I'm still going to remove it because there's a lot of work to do with the elevation. So I'll go back here. When you look at it from 3D, you see the position. So things are taking shape. So we're going to focus now on the level 2. So what we got in level 2 will help us to transfer to level 3, and the little adjustments is going to be made. So now what we do here is that, what is the room? This is the room that we have. So how do we do it? We need to have a complete set of precision. So master room needs to be here. So what we will do, we have a staircase that's supposed to be here. So we click here and say create stair. So we have stair here. So how the stair is going to be, we'll come back to that later. So after we get the stair, everybody need to get access to their various space. So I'm going to create this one and see this is going to come here. So put this one here, put this one here, and put this one here will be connected here. So it's not over yet, so we still continue. So what I do, have we created, come here now, where this one is to, then connect this one to fit in. Okay, so what does it mean? There's going to be a complete access. Let's say, okay, so there will be certain openings that is supposed to follow to, so that there will be. So after we're done with this is one room, this is another room, this is another room. But this room now we've not completed it because we still have something to work on. So how do we do with this? Get this done by creating this time. So I have an issue that I need to do. There is a certain curve at the front. You just need to create that. Okay, and be like this. So focus on this one. to get the design done properly. So this is how far this one is going to look like. So we'll select and say, let's say a component now, bring bed to where bed is supposed to be. Okay, select the bed. So there's going to be bed here. There should be bed here as well. And there should be bed here. So this is going to be for a different purpose. It's going to be for study or whatever the NRF is going to retain at that level. So when we climb here, we have access. So let me say we have door. So door is going to be here. We have door here. We have door to this room. We have door to this particular place. Money to enter from here or money to enter from here. So I'm going to prefer this side. Depends on when we construct the staircase. We're going to change that position. We're still going to change the position. So here is it. So we have this in place now. So you get. So we have this all this place in order. So the lighting here everywhere, there's no darkness in this design, and mostly ventilated spaces. So that is for this. So now I will repeat what I have at the ground floor to this upper floor. But the problem here is that I have to be very objective. This is going to be like a 2-bedroom flat. So this one is 1 bedroom, 1 bedroom. So this is going to be this is going to be 1 bedroom flat. The last one is going to be 2-bedroom flat. So let's repeat what we have here. So let's say copy everything here. Say copy to clipboard, go to level 2 and say align to currently. Good. So everything you've had on the ground floor, you have it here. So this is stable, this is now normal. So what do we do next is that we focus our attention on what we now bring the little bit solution, because we are going to manipulate a lot of something at the level 3, but not level 2. For the level 3, we are going to manipulate something. So for now, this is how far we go at the level 2. Everything is still remain. So we come here and say under, then we say none. So we focus attention on whatsoever we want to have here. So see you in the next tutorial where we're going to continue with the basic. God bless you.